Our theme for tonight is Night of the Finest. Yan. Ano bang ibig sabihin ng finest? It is because among all of people who call themselves Sun Trustees, kayo ang naiwan na andito. You did not only survive the pandemic, but you found a way to produce during the pandemic.
Grabe ang ginawa niyo nung pandemic. Talagang I salute you. That despite the fear of the unknown and uncertainties, we stood strong and faced the invisible enemy. Hindi po tayo natakot. Hindi tayo natakot. It is not only for our families to bring food on the table to our loved ones, but also for the love of SunTrust and to our valued clients.
Dapat ang makita behind the mask is the real person, the real you, the great person you are, the sales champion you were with SunTrust pre-pandemic years. We hope that everyone will remain to be sales champions. We now dream again of bringing back the old times, the pre-pandemic times.
So let us all celebrate our victory over this health war. Let us continue po this courage, this bravery, and the fearlessness.
And therefore, if you look at what we did during this pandemic, we are really the finest. In other words, tayo ang natira. Kayo ang natira, at hindi lang natira, kundi kayo ay bumenta para dito sa kumpanya natin, para magpatuloy ang ating mag-expand, magpatuloy ang ating ginagawang tulong na mga projects at mas marami pa tayo matulungan. I said, after all of this pandemic, we forget the past with our mask. We proceed moving forward, removing it and say, it is us now. We are going to do more. We are going to do more, not just for ourselves, but for the company. And then recall what made us join SPI so many years ago, that excitement, those dreams, those hopes.